The way we wanted to make this knowledge base to make complete sense is to have two different categories. So you have the team assets and you have my assets. Why do we want to keep it like this? Simply because there are multiple companies who are using GTM Brigade and they want to activate their team. So every time you will have some assets that are valid for everyone in the team, the knowledge base of the company that applies for everyone that's involved, that's part of the team. So first of all, you have to create the knowledge base of the company. And just for the sake of example, I will use our knowledge base from the simplifier. And here I have some blog articles. I have some procedures that we use internally for the simplifier. So to add these files, I simply selected all and just drag them here. The next thing you should do, and it's important to do it, I forgot to select a category for all of these articles. Here we have blog articles. So I'm applying the category. And as you can see right now, these files are uploaded in the knowledge base and are ready to be used. So these are the team assets that apply for all the members in our team at the simplifier or at the GTM Brigade or at every other company that want to build their knowledge base. And then I have my assets. And here at my assets, for example, just for the sake of this example, I will upload all of my LinkedIn posts, all of the comments that I posted on LinkedIn. And I have a very deep analysis between me and Yal Aga. Maybe you know about this guy. He's very strong on LinkedIn. And I made a very deep analysis between me and him. And this is something that I also want to include here in this knowledge base. Again, I forgot to select the category for them. I will call them again articles. Here you can upload these resources. You have multiple categories here. You can upload articles, you can upload LinkedIn posts, research, whatever. Okay, so once you set up all of this information, once you uploaded all of this information here in the knowledge base, then you need to set up the company context. So here you need to set up all the relevant information. Think of this as a prompt, Every time you're using ChatGPT or Claude or whatever other LLM, you're giving it a prompt, right? So here you need to offer the context to GTM Brigade. And this knowledge base becomes really, really, really important because it will allow you to create content much faster. It will give you suggestions, AI suggestions for the comments you want to place. So it's very important to offer the tool all the context, okay? Imagine that it's the same thing you're doing with Claude or with ChatGPT. You need to give the tool a proper prompt. And if you give the tool a proper prompt, then the output will be very, very good. Another thing we wanted to do here in the knowledge base is to offer people the chance to list their solutions, okay? Because we have the general knowledge related to the company. We have the assets, the personal assets that are related to each individual. And then we can add the solutions that we are offering. So let's say you have multiple products or multiple services. You can include all of this information about each one because this will offer a much better context to the tool. So here you can have product number one, and you can upload here all the information about product number one and create it as a solution. Then you can add product number two, product number three, service number one, service number three, whatever. The better you organize the information here, the better the AI output will be. So we encourage you, if you have multiple products or multiple solutions, make sure that you include each one of them with the clear problems that it solves, information about the products, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, we have these capabilities. This is how you build the knowledge base. I will make a short recap. So again, the knowledge base is divided into two categories. It's the team assets and my assets. Everything that goes into the team assets is related to all the information that everybody in the company is related to. And the My Assets category is for individuals who want to, I don't know, build their own personal style. We can upload there all the LinkedIn posts, all the relevant information that are relevant for that specific person. Then we must set up the company context. Here is very important to offer this context to the platform. And then we have the solutions and capabilities. For now, we have solutions and capabilities. Most likely, we will move capabilities under the solutions.